Hi children, again this is the subtraction, word problem subtraction. Before class also I explained about the same story sums in subtraction topic. Okay, today also this session also I will explain about the subtraction sums. See, first whenever he gave the word problems, then you have to read properly what he gave in the question, then we have to divide it into the statements and what he is asking conclusion. Finally, what he is asking, that one we have to do it. Okay now? See, first question, a state produce 35 lakhs 42,756 tons of mangoes. Okay, total how many mangoes? 35 lakhs 42,756 tons of mangoes, out of which is 4 lakhs 59,520 are exported. Exported means they are shifting to other countries. Okay now, then how much mangoes were left? Okay, first statement what we gave, first one, this one is there, 35 lakhs 42,756 tons. The weight of total mangoes. The weight of total mangoes is 35 lakhs 42,756 tons. Then see here, again the next, whatever exported mangoes, the weight of exported mangoes is, how much should be? 4 lakhs 59,520. 4 lakhs 59,520 tons of mangoes are exported. Total how many tons of mangoes are left? Total how many mangoes were left in that we will see. Okay children, see here now. First one what we have to write, the weight of total mangoes. Solution, the weight of total mangoes is equal to how much? 35 lakhs 42,756 tons. Okay, 56 ton. Next one, what he gave? The weight of exported mangoes. In these, some mangoes they took up, that mangoes are exported to the other place, means what? Shifting to other place. In these mangoes, some mangoes are take out and those mangoes are shifted to some other place. Then total how many mangoes are there here at present? That we have to do. See, next statement is the weight of exported mangoes. Weight of exported mangoes. How much should be? 4 lakhs 59,520 tons. Next what is asking? Leftover mangoes. First, third statement should be is left. Leftover means what? We have to do the subtraction. The weight of leftover mangoes. The weight of leftover mangoes. Okay, should be how much? Total weight of mangoes 35 lakhs 42,756 tons minus 4 lakhs 59,520 tons. Then should be we have to do the subtraction. Then digits are different from right to left. You can write. What we have to do means we have to do the subtraction. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. It will be become a 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. Then we have to go to for 0. From this one bar, take it, 2 is becoming 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. This 5 is becoming 4. 3 is becoming 13 because of we are taking borrow. 13 minus 5 it will be is a 8. 4 minus 4 0. It will be become how much should be 30 lakhs 83,236 tons mangoes are left over. 30 lakhs 83,236 tons mangoes are left over in the place. Isn't it, children? See here, whatever he gave now, then we have to write the first statement, or he gives the second statement. Total weight mangoes he gave, that I wrote. Exported mangoes weight I wrote. Again leftover mangoes he is asking. Leftover mangoes means what? We have to total mangoes, whatever we are take out the from their places, that number of mangoes times we will subtract, we will get the how many leftover mangoes are there at present. Now that we will get. Okay, children, this one is the topic. Next, second one is a second story sum sequence. The sum of two numbers is 32, 3 crores 25 lakhs 4,530. 3 crores 25 lakhs 4,530. Those are sum of two numbers. Then if one number is 75 lakhs 24,282, find the second number. See here, first one he gave sum. Sum means what? Together. Where if he is asking two numbers, he is added two numbers. He added two numbers. He added two numbers. Whenever he add two numbers, he got the total is 3 crores 25,000 25 lakhs 4,530. In that one number he gave, that is 75 lakhs 24,282. Then what is the second number? See, for example, the cost of pen is 10 rupees. Okay, if the cost of two things is 20 rupees, the cost of pen is 10 rupees. Another thing is how much? Total minus pen cost. It will be become 20 minus 10 is a 10 rupees of the another thing cost. Same way, one number he gave, then we will subtract the sum of two numbers, will subtract the first number, we will get the second number. First we have to write which one? Sum of two number. Solution, first statement it will be is a sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is equal 3 crores 25 lakhs 4,530. 3 crores 25 lakhs 4,530. Then the first number is equal 75 lakhs 24,282. That is the first number. Now what is asking? Another number. Another number meaning what? Is a second number. Second number is equal sum of two numbers minus first number. Sum of two numbers is 3 crores 25 lakhs 4,530 minus 75 lakhs 24,282. Okay, then we will do the subtraction. We will get the second number. 3 crores 25 lakhs 4,530 is become 2 8 2 4 2 5 7. This is the 7-digit number. This is 8-digit number. This is a 7-digit number. Then 2 it will be won't go. Then 3 is becoming 2. Take borrow. 0 is become 10. 5 minus 2 is 8. Again here 2 is there. Here 8 is there. Become a 4. 2 is become 12. 12 minus 8 it will be become 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 4 is a 0. Then 0 can't go. 2 can't remove from the 0. Then take it borrow. Then it will is become a 10. 10 minus 2 8. Again 4 5 is won't go the 4. Then it will be become 4 minus 4 it will take borrow. 4 is becoming 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Then can't go 7 can't go from 1. Then it will be become 1 11 11. It will be become 11 minus 7 is 4. Then it will be last number should be here is nothing. It will be 0. Then 2 minus 0 it will be 2. How much should be second number is? 2 crores 49 lakhs 80,248. This is the second number. Okay, what he gave number, that is the second number and first numbers. Okay children, this is the way of how to solute the how to solution to the word problems. It will be easy, clear sums once one by one steps you can observe. First statement I wrote, second statement I wrote, last conclusion what he is asking we will write. He is asking leftover mangoes, I'll find the total mangoes, exported mangoes I wrote, then we got the leftover mangoes. Then again go to second sum, it will be second sum. What is asking in this first total sum of two numbers he gave. In that first number he gave, second number he is asking. Means what? First statement sum of numbers I wrote, second statement it first number, third it will be become a third second total minus first one is we will get the total second number. Okay children, thank you.